Got one. Casted it at him like 10 times. He finally bit again. Just a little guy. Just huge. Especially in this thick stuff. Oh my God. No! Alright, well I just had something hit literally right next to my kayak and it snapped my frog right off. Oh. It's not where I wanted to cast. Make it work though. Oh, right next to the kayak, baby. That's the little guy. I'll take it. Oh, you really smashed it.
Right next to the kayak?
Yeah, this is a little small guy, but I'll take it. First fish of the night for me. As I dunk my reel in water. We honestly could. There's one. All little though.
Yeah, we didn't really catch anything with size.
Not tonight, during the day we did.
During the day we had banded.
Another dink. It's on that black pad crasher. Alright, tonight didn't go as well as we wanted, but we still came out and caught a couple fish. Wasn't as good as we thought we were going to do though, because today we came out and caught...
We caught like 8 or 10 today, all decent sized fish.
And we didn't catch anything with really size tonight, but it was still a fun night out in the water, and hopefully we got a decent video out of it.
Yeah, I think we got some good footage to share with you guys.